Hey guys, before you begin the collaborative module, I just wanted to make this short little video and I wanted to say when you're thinking about collaborative technologies for your kids, collaborative features are those that allow kids to work with another person, chat with another person, comment on each other's work, co-create. To collaborate for this module means that within the technology, the kids can do something together. They are not in the same class, maybe, or they're at home doing virtual school, but they can still collaborate together. A great example of a collaborative tool are any of the Google products. Google Docs allows multiple users to write a paper together. Google Slides allows them to make a presentation together. That's a really great, robust product. But there are tons of tools out there for kids that also allow features that are collaborative. For example, I think Padlet now lets you share a pad with somebody. Sorry, my 5-year-old is doing his schoolwork. I'll be with you in just a second. Okay, hold on. It allows kids to comment on each other's pads, add to each other's Padlets. So when we're thinking about collaborative technologies this week, we are looking for tools that have those features. They may not be labeled as collaborative tools. You may say, I really like this quiz tool, but I don't know how collaborative it is. And then you make an account and you log in and, hey, look, there's a share button, there's a comment button, there's an add user button. It's collaborative. So you can pick anything that has collaborative features to share with your group this week. Remember that you should always be choosing new tools that you haven't looked at before, and that you should really spend some time thinking about if it's appropriate for kids. I know with the creating, some of you had some really great tools that you like as a college student, but they wouldn't be appropriate for a 5-year-old. So spend some time this week digging in and looking around to find something that's good for the kids.